The CBVELO 1000W folding electric bike is equipped with a robust motor that effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it suitable for both city commutes and off-road adventures. This e-bike comes with a high-capacity 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour removable battery, allowing for a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. Featuring an advanced front suspension and hydraulic disc brakes, the bike ensures a smooth and safe ride by effectively handling shocks and providing reliable stopping power. The 20-inch fat tires of the CBVELO electric bike offer exceptional stability and grip on various terrains from urban streets to gravel paths. Its foldable design is perfect for commuters and those with limited storage, as it easily fits into a car trunk or can be carried on public transport. The e-bike also includes a color LCD display that provides essential information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled, enhancing the overall riding experience.